Namaste, my name is Archana Patel, and I have joined this Ravana workshop, and I have learned so many things about nature, and we are doing so many practicals about it. So I'm really very grateful that I can learn this much. Thank you.
So these three sessions was really something like out of the box. It made me think out of the box. It was so interesting, and the things which we normally don't hear or listen on normal in our books and all. These all things were really new. It was simple and at the same time it was so deep. The way Sir explained everything. So I really liked the sessions. Thank you.
I'm Suresh, and this is a program which is a very intuitive program which will help us to use our thinking in a different way so that we can think differently to understand the nature and how to do a project. I mean, we can do a research on a particular topic and by our own self by observing the nature with a simple common sense. Many things we will understand by doing like this type of workshops, and this workshop will help us, this type of workshops will help us to uh, make anyone can do a research. I mean, it will help. It is not for any kind of age group. Any kind of age group can do research by observing his common sense. It will give the confidence to the persons, and this is a very good program. Thank you.
This session is according to me, this is session is very good, and I learned many of things about nature, and its miracle and many things. So actually, I understand many of things related nature through air, through water, through soil. Many of things I learned from this session.
Ma'am, the sessions were really great and really helpful for us, and it gives a different perspective and different vision to see the nature of the things we are communicating in day-to-day activities. Like Harsha sir said in earlier workshop sessions that when we see any leaf or any other natural things, the your vision, your the way of seeing those things should be in such a manner that you see the science behind it. So the workshops are really great and really helpful for me, and I encourage to my colleagues also to, if any further workshops will be there in future, I encourage to my colleagues also to join and participate in the such wonderful sessions. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.